Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we discuss on DC network basics. In this video, I'll cover the following topics: charge, current, voltage, power and energy, resistor, capacitor and inductor. I'll be talking only the important points related to each and every term. First one, electric charge. It is the physical property of subatomic particles that causes it to experience a force when placed in an electric or magnetic field. Subatomic particles includes electrons and protons. Electrons are negatively charged, protons are positively charged. And electric charge is a scalar quantity, although it possesses magnitude and direction. In network theory, only electron flow is relevant and electric charge is denoted by Q. SI unit of electric charge is C, Coulomb. The charge of a single electron or proton is known as an elementary charge. According to law of conservation of charge, charge can neither be created nor be destroyed. It can only be transferred from one body to another body. And net quantity of charge is always conserved. Second term is electric current. Electric current is defined as the rate of flow of charge. Flow of electrons is what forms an electric current, and electric current is the movement of electric charge in a wire over a period of time. It is given by the equation I equal to Q divided by T. Units of current is amperes and unit of Q charge is coulombs, unit of time is given in seconds. Usually there are two types of currents, conventional current and electron current. Conventional current flow is from positive to negative terminal and indicates the direction that positive charges would flow. Electron flow is from negative to positive terminal. Electrons are negatively charged and are therefore attracted to the positive terminal as unlike charges attract. You can see the same thing in the figure. In figure we have a battery, bulb and connecting wires. Direction of current is nothing but showing conventional current flow and flow of electrons is showing electron flow. Next term is voltage. It is also called as electric potential difference. A force of attraction always exists between a positive and negative charges. If a certain amount of energy or work is required to overcome the force and move the charges through a specific distance, because of the separation, opposite charges possess a certain amount of potential energy. The difference in potential energy of the charges is called as potential difference. Voltage is denoted by letter V and it is given by V equal to W divided by Q, where W is energy or work in joules, Q is charge in coulombs. Unit of voltage is volts or V equal to dW by dQ, where dW is small change in energy, dQ is small change in charge. Next terms, power and energy. Energy is nothing but a capacity for doing work. That is, energy is nothing but a stored work. The amount of electrical energy transferred per unit time by an electrical circuit or element is known as electric power. Electric power is denoted by letter P. It is defined as P equal to W by T or P equal to dW by dt. Unit of power is watts or joule per second. We can write P as dW by dt. By multiplying and dividing the term dq, we can write dW by dq into dq divided by dt. dW by dq is nothing but voltage, dq by dt is nothing but I. So power can be written as V into I watts. In field of electronics, milliwatts and microwatts are the common units. In electric field, kilowatts and megawatts are common units. An important note is whenever current is leaving the positive terminal, we can say the power is absorbed. When the current is leaving the positive terminal, we can say power is delivered. There is an important note: when a current enters the positive terminal, power is absorbed. When current leaves the positive terminal, power is getting delivered. Next, let us talk about basic circuit elements: resistor, capacitor, and inductor. Resistor, it has a property called resistance. It resists the flow of electrons. Resistor is a passive element and it is denoted by R. Symbol of the resistor is like this. The units of resistor are ohms. According to Ohm's law, current is directly proportional to the voltage, and the equation is V equal to R into I. Alternately, we can write I equal to GV, where G is called the conductance. Power absorbed by resistor is given by P equal to V into I. If you substitute V equal to IR, we can write P equal to I square R. Energy lost in resistance in time t is given by W equal to integral 0 to t p dt, that equal to pt. By substituting P equal to I square R, we can write I square R into t. Alternatively, we can write V square by R into t. If you connect resistors in series, R equivalent or equivalent resistance can be written as sum of resistances R1 plus R2 plus R3. If resistors are connected in parallel, equivalent resistance is given by 1 by R equivalent equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. Inductor. A wire of certain length, when twisted into a coil, becomes a basic inductor. It is a passive element, and inductor stores energy in the form of magnetic field and delivers it as when required. It is denoted by the symbol L, and this is how we can show the symbol. Unit of inductance is Henry. Current voltage relationship is given by V equal to L into di by dt. Power absorbed by inductor is given by P equal to V into I. In place of P, if we write L into di by dt, we can write power equal to Li di by dt watts. Energy stored by inductor is W equal to integral 0 to t p dt, which is equal to Li square by 2. Important note related to inductor is, if a constant current is given to inductor, induced voltage across an inductor will be 0. It means that inductor acts as short circuit to DC. When inductances or inductors are placed in series, L equivalent can be written as L1 plus L2. When inductors are placed in parallel, L equivalent can be written as 1 by L equivalent equal to 1 by L1 plus 1 by L2. Capacitor. Any two conducting surfaces separated by an insulating medium exhibit the property of a capacitor. Electrodes are conducting surfaces and insulating medium is dielectric. Capacitor is also a passive element. It stores energy in the form of electric field. It is denoted by C. This is the symbol we represent the capacitor. Units of capacitance is farad. Usually capacitance is given by C equal to Q divided by V. Current voltage relationship for capacitor is I equal to C into dV by dt. Power absorbed by capacitor can be written as P equal to VI, that equal to V into C into dV by dt. Energy stored by capacitor is W equal to half CV square. Important note related to capacitor is, if the voltage across the capacitor is constant, current in a capacitor will be 0. It says that capacitor acts as open circuit to DC. When capacitors are connected in series, equivalent capacitance is given by 1 by C equivalent equal to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2. If capacitors are connected in parallel, C equivalent can be written as C1 plus C2. That's all for this video. Thank you.